Hey there, welcome to a quickie video about how to count. Just one little piece of counting no more than 5 things because 5 is manageable. This is a conversation about how to make sense of 5 choose 2 and 5 choose 3. What that means is 5 choose 2. 5 choose 2 means 5 things, 2 at a time. How many pairs can you make? How many different pairs can you make? You can write that notation as 5 choose 2. That's what the calculator button looks like. Sometimes you see it with the 5 written high and the 2 written low, and sometimes you see it written in a column like that. But this all means 5 choose 2. How many distinct pairs can you make from 5 objects? And we don't care about order. We don't care about yellow, red versus red, yellow. That's permutations, and that's different. We only care that we've got the red and the yellow both paired up. So there's math to calculate this. I can show you the formula. We can grind the numbers through, but it's nice to see the visual layout of how you physically count it out for yourself. So here's one way you can be methodic about it. Okay, start with the red. What can you put with the red? You could have red with yellow, red with green, red with blue, or red with purple. And those are 4 pairs you can make involving the red. Okay, and that's all you can do with red. So we'll let Zeke chew on the red. Okay, and then you go to the yellow. What can I pair up with yellow? I could have yellow and green, yellow and blue, yellow and purple. That's 3 more options. We've got 7 so far. Let Zeke chew on that. And green with blue, green with purple. That's 2 more options. So that's 9. And then blue with purple, and there's our 10th option. So 5 choose 2 shakes out as 10. There's 10 ways you can make pairs from 5 objects. And that's nice and that's tidy. And then the question is, all right, so what about 5 choose 3? How could I methodically go through 5 choose 3? This happened in a tutor lesson, and I went through 5 choose 2, and that was fine. And then I tried to methodically go through 5 choose 3, and my brain stopped, and I made a mess of it. That's why I'm making this video. So here's how you can be methodic. As soon as you get home and calm down, you immediately realize what you should have said. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to count that up methodically. Okay, 5 choose 3. 5 things, 3 at a time. Okay, so we're going to be methodic from the left, as before. We'll let Zeke help. Okay, so we'll start with the red, and we'll say, what can I, well, we'll start with the red and the yellow, because I need 3 things. So we'll start with those 2. What can I put with those 2? Here we go. Red, yellow, green, red, yellow, blue, red, yellow, purple, and that's 3 things. I'm just going to keep a tally. 3 things you can do with the red and the yellow. Okay, well, we're not done with red because we could have paired up red, green, blue, red, green, purple. That's 2 more ways we can play with the red. Or we could have ignored the yellow and the green entirely and gone for red, blue, purple, and that's 1 more way you can involve the red. And now Zeke can chew on it. Okay, so we're at six ways we can do 3s. Okay, but there's a few more. So what if I involve the yellow and the green and the blue, or the yellow, the green, and the purple? That's 2 more ways I can play with that. But I also could have ignored the green and gone for yellow, blue, purple. That's 1 more, and that's all I can do with the yellow. So we're at a tally of 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. We've got 9 so far. And if I let Zeke chew on the yellow, oh, I've only got 3 things left. So there's only one way. There's only 1 combination there. So there's our 10 ways to do it. So 5 choose 3 shakes out as 10 as well. 5 choose 3 shakes out as 10. You can verify that on the calculator, or you can do the math. That will shake out as 10 also. And the last thing I want to say, well, that's what I wanted to do. I wanted to show you how to be methodical through your physical count of it. And it's, okay, you want 3 things. So first thing, second thing, what are my options for the third? And you exhaust those possibilities. Then you choose something different for your second option, keeping your first, and go through that. And then, you know, those 2 second options have been exhausted. So you go on to your next second option, and then you exhaust that, and then you're done with the first object. Okay, that's how you be methodical. I also want to point out that 5 choose 2 and 5 choose 3 both shake out as 10 because every time you choose 2, you leave 3 behind. So choosing 2 is implicitly choosing 3, or vice versa. Choosing 3 is leaving 2 behind. So those tallies should come out the same. And that's quite nice. If you want to see it listed out, because it's nice to list out your combinations, I'll put the colors here for reference in the order I used. Okay, if you do 5 things 2 at a time, 5 choose 2. Okay, here's how you can write it out methodically. Start with the red. What can you put with red? Yellow. Or you could have put green, or you could put blue, or you could put purple. That's all you can do with red. Okay, move on. Yellow can go with green, yellow can go with blue, yellow can go with purple. That's it, we move on. Green can go with blue, green can go with purple, or blue can go with purple, and we're done. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Yeah, it's a triangular number. That's no accident. That's a different video. Okay, 5 choose 3 to be methodic. Carefully laid out my white space here. Okay, here's how you do it. We'll start with what 2 things, and what can we put as the third thing? So if I start with the red and the yellow, what can I put with that? Well, I could put the green with that, or I could have the red, the yellow, and the blue, or I could have the red, the yellow, and the purple, and that's all I can do with red, yellow. Okay, so you choose a different color to go with the red. You could have red, green. Well, you don't go backwards. Red, green, yellow, we already have that. You just keep moving forwards in your sequence. Okay, so red, green, blue, red, green, purple, and that's all you can do with that. All right, red with the yellow, red with the green, I can have red with the blue. Well, then there's only purple left, and I've run out of things I can do, and these are all the combinations that involve the red marker. Okay, and then you go on to the yellow. Okay, let's put yellow with the green. Well, I could put yellow, green, I could add the blue, or I could have yellow, green, and add the purple. That's it for yellow, green, so let's put yellow with blue. Oh, there's only purple to put with it. Okay, that's exhausted, and that's the yellow done for. And then all you have left is green, blue, purple, because now we're down to 3 markers, and that's 10. Okay? Ways to be methodical. I hope that made sense to you. Thanks for watching.